Yo, this is how to get your friends and family involved with your network marketing business. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when it comes to network marketing, you got two philosophies, right? When it comes to family and friends. Some people will tell you, like, hey, go after everybody. Immediately go after family and friends and dogs and cats and whatever, right? Then you got other people, you know what I'm saying? They'll tell you in a heartbeat, man, hey, leave your friends and family out of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't mess with them. It's a lost cause. Like, just forget about it. Don't even worry about them, all right? So the truth is, let's be honest, right? If you getting into network marketing, you know, the idea is to build your team. Because when it comes to network marketing, like, the bigger your team is, the more opportunity you have to make more money, right? Leveraging other people's efforts. So of course, when you join a network marketing opportunity, your first thought is, you know what I'm saying? Like, my cousins, I got like 10 cousins. You know what I'm saying? I got my mom, got my dad, I got like 5 uncles, 10 aunts. Like, damn, I could build a big ass team if they all just jump on my squad. Like, shit, I'll be good to go, right? That's the mindset most people have. But the reality of it is, like, especially where network marketing scares a lot of people still to this day, right? So what happens is, you know, your friends and family, in most cases, if you try to approach them with it, they're gonna shun you off. They're gonna ignore you. You know what I'm saying? That's sad. Your own family will ignore you if you talk about, you know, network marketing and things like that, right? So the question is, how could you get them involved with your network marketing opportunity? How could you get them on your team? Well, I ain't gonna lie. In my opinion, there's only one real way that you're gonna get your friends and family on your network marketing team. But before I say what that is, there is one little caveat when it comes to, you know, friends and family. Now, I would suggest reaching out to friends and family who have an interest in, you know, entrepreneurship or network marketing or affiliate marketing. If you know of people, you know, in your family or friends who talk about making money online or affiliate marketing or network marketing, absolutely get at them. Like, you know, let them know what you're getting into. Let them know about the company you just joined, for sure. But in most cases, like, reaching out to family and friends who aren't into make money online or network marketing or anything like that, yeah, you definitely shouldn't approach them. You're probably thinking, what the hell? The name of the video is how to get my friends and family on my team. You know what I'm saying? Like, how do I do it, right? Here's the answer. It is to be successful. That's it, right? I'm gonna tell you, it's very easy. So when your family and friends actually see you being successful with your network marketing business, that is when they're going to want to join you. Now, will they be successful after they join you? Will they actually, you know, get into it? Will they actually produce for you? Who knows? But they will definitely, not all, but some of your friends and family will definitely get at you when they see you actually being successful in your opportunity. Shit, you know I'm right. Just think about it, all right? Just imagine you on Facebook, right? And you just, you know, do all your just normal posts, right? You post about your life and this and that, and you casually make a post about, oh, you're doing this network marketing thing, whatever. Nobody gonna care, straight up. None of your friends or family gonna care. And I actually did a video talking about how your Facebook marketing sucks, right? And I talk about how you got the wrong friends on your list. So we're just assuming that you're on Facebook and all your friends are just, you know, your actual friends and family. So you just post your normal stuff that you do and you casually talk about your network marketing, right? And no one, like I said, no one cares. No one even likes it. No one comments. No one private messages you. None of that, right? So now imagine, you know, 6 months later, right? Now you done talked about it on your Facebook. People in your family, they know, they seen your post, they just ignoring you, right? Your friends seen it, they just don't give a shit, right? But imagine 6 months down the road, you make a post talking about, hey, I just got my first $500 check from Live Good or from Got Backup or whatever company you in, right? Just got it, and you take a picture of yourself, you know what I'm saying, with your, your payment proof and all that. People gonna be like, whoa, okay. They might even still say nothing off of that. But then maybe the next month you put another $700 check in from Live Good. Listen, now you know I'm right. Hell, you probably would message your friend or family if you saw somebody doing that. But people will definitely start taking note. Then people are going to start liking it, right? Because when they see you making money, they're going to start commenting, oh, congratulations, right? Oh, that's dope. Oh, that's nice. They're going to be liking it, hearting it, all that shit, right? At some point, right? You keep doing that. At some point, ding, ding. What the hell is that? Oh, shit. Oh. Facebook message. Oh shit, this is my cousin. Okay. Hey, what's that business you doing? You be posting about? What is that? Oh, then you act stupid and shit. What you talking about? Live Good? Question mark. What you talking about? Got Backup? Question mark. What you talking about? I'm so busy, I don't know, right? Nah, you said you was making like 500. Like, what was that? You know what I'm saying? Now you drop him with that link. Hey, cuz, boom, hit him with that link. Hey, just watch the video, bro. Just watch the video, sis. Right? Next thing you know, you're gonna see where they opted in. You know the routine, right? But then that's not only gonna happen with your family, your friends gonna be doing the same thing. If and after they see you having some sort of success with your opportunity, that's how you get friends and family on your team, by you being successful and them seeing you being successful. They are going to want to jump on. So you might be thinking, bro, like that's nice and all, but I was counting on my friends and family to actually be my success story so I can get other people to join my team. Well, you need to do it the opposite way, right? So you need to come up with a strategy to promote your opportunity without having to count on friends and family, and you can do it very, very easily, right? Like I always talk about in my videos, come up with a strategy. Come up with a strategy that you feel comfortable doing. A lot of people are doing Facebook marketing, right? But they're doing it where they're actually getting a friends list. They're building their friends list of people who are into making money online or affiliate marketing or network marketing. When it comes to YouTube, there's people out there dropping YouTube shorts and long form videos talking about their opportunity, actually building up their teams just from YouTube. Right? I'm not a big TikTok person, but a lot of people, all they use is TikTok and they growing their business, right? And that's what you have to do. Do not get into network marketing thinking that you're going to pop off just because you're going to enroll all your friends and family. If you thinking like that, just move on to another technique, because that shit is not going to work. All right. So you can definitely build up your network marketing team without using friends and family, because once you get that success, just a little bit, it's like 50 Cent say, just a little bit, right? Your friends and family are going to want to join you. You're not even going to have to message them. They're going to come to you. Now, if you want to check out the network marketing opportunities that I am making money with every single month, check out the links in the description of this video and in the comments.